This is the Blue Skies promotion for May, which is a beautiful kit. Lots of options. This is showing you all the patterned papers that you receive in the paper pack and the product bundle, which I'm using to create Kit of the Month. A 12 by 12 sticker sheet is also included. Love the colors. In addition, you're going to love the 12 by 12 cardstock that is a glossy textured look on one side and a matte on the other. So pretty, great to work with. We have a pinwheel thin cut, as well as 2 stamp sets. The Beautiful Day stamp set comes with a thin cut, and then you have the Blue Skies stamp set only. This is layout 1 that I created for Kit of the Month, and that would be in a 4x6 flip that you can add. Love that green. Look how it really pops on these pages. The sapphire blue patterned paper is the base, and the pinwheel and the stamped images on the side are really adorable, as well as the title Beautiful Day is stamped. I used the pennant stamp, and then I added my own journaling lines. It really pops, this layout, so pretty. Here's another layout, completely different look, using the patterned paper with Wonderful and some stamped images. I stamped the flower, some leaves, the sun, and a cloud. The Blue Skies is stamped, as well as the cloud, and there are 2 sticker clouds included in the kit. My Only Sunshine is stamped. Fun Times. What a great colorful layout. Love the color combo here. Really pops on the white paper. You can see that I stamped along the corner or the edge of each one of the base pages using the Candy Apple Red and the thin stamp. Beautiful Day is stamped in Candy Apple. The Beautiful Red pinwheel out of the textured cardstock. Love this and the arrows, and there is a little bit more texture, and the hearts are also stamped using the stamp sets inside the product bundle. Here's another pretty color combo, the pink and yellow. Hello Sunshine. I stamped the yellow, the canary pennants, and there's a little bit of stamping there. And I also sponged the edges of the patterned paper to give it a little bit of a ruffled look. The top of that is also stamped, and you'll see more stamped images on the white card that has Life is Sweet. Love the yellow pinwheel. They're so pretty and easy to do. Here's another beautiful layout, very colorful, but so well put together. I love the color combos. I did stamp the labels, and once again around the edge. Yep, the pennants are stamped, the edges are stamped, the Love This. There's a couple of little details, and they always make the layouts look fun. Just look at the colors and look how it all pops and works well together. Now I'm going to show you what I used, the Make It From Your Heart Volume 4 card making program, where I used my scraps to make some cards. One of the patterns is number 15, and I used this pattern to create the card that's pink and green. Hey there. That's stamped in Pixie, and it comes from the May Stamp of the Month, Time to Celebrate. Any one of those sentiments could make this card. The camera and the tags, the borders, all fun little elements that come right out of this stamp set with the pennants. With Blue Skies, I used the tag and the thin little border stamp in Pixie. Oh, there's that cute camera. All of that is on a thin cut, so you get lots of thin cuts with that stamp set. Super cute. I believe the next pattern is number 20. And I did make 2 cards using the same pattern. Isn't that cute? There's that hot air balloon, and I used Lagoon shimmer brush on the balloon and a clear shimmer brush on the clouds. The clouds were stamped in Lagoon using the stamp set and thin cuts. I used markers to color in the balloon. I did stamp You Did It in the candy apple red, but any one of those messages would work. There's that cute balloon. Thin cut it, color it in, and you're good to go, as well as the clouds. Super cute card. Turn that kaleidoscope paper over, and now you have the floral pattern. Same design, everything's pretty much identical, except I did You Did It. And here's another pattern, 21, that I created 2 cards with. Time to celebrate. Great time to use that. And you can see I rotated the pattern so the paper is at the top. And that beautiful pinwheel is so easy with that thin cut. I stamped some of the texture stamps and the stars using green apple and sapphire ink. You can see that green glossy paper really popped too. Here you can see I used a different stamp altogether with a airplane for a Happy Father's Day card. I love the fact that it's the same card but rotated. And that's it. That's what I used to create those cards. Oh, and I did make one of my own using what was left over of that floral paper where I covered up the Wonderful. Just adding a little bit of red gloss, stamping Happy Mother's Day, and stamping some flowers. So you can see I did use that piece, but it was in a corner piece, and then stamped some images and added some paper and added that little folded corner. Really fun, very easy to do. So all of these products are in the product bundle. Look at all of those thin cuts that you get with that Beautiful Day stamp set. And the Blue Skies has no thin cuts, so it's just a stamp set on its own. And then I added the May Stamp of the Month for $5.